Hello to everyone. I am Satheesh Kumar. I am from AC&RI Madurai College. In the last few months, I am joined in the Tally program by IntrnForte company. In this Tally program is very useful and very easy to learn. And whenever I want, I open the app and I learn and gain the knowledge. In night also, it's have no time limit. Whenever we want, like night, midnight, also midnight also I open and learn it in Tally program by IntrnForte. IntrnForte is well good and the staffs also easily teaching and assignments and projects are very related to the field like a Tally. Two project I do in the IntrnForte is it two are helpful, very helpful for my upper education and field. Thank you IntrnForte. Thanks a lot.